Hey guys, Johnny from South Texas Firearms Training. Day 2 of fighting pistol with tactical response. We're here taking a lunch break. A lot way different than yesterday, weather-wise. Yesterday was cool, cold, rainy, wet, just windy, all kinds of stuff. Now it's sunny, clear, warm. It's amazing. I don't know if you can see the back over there. Just beautiful out there. It's just perfect. Perfect for training. Perfect for everything. So, yeah. Day 2, fighting pistol, tactical response. So, we'll get you some more pictures and more videos later, guys. Be careful.